Hello, my little star. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will start our new theme, Famous First of India. As we remember our first toy, our first friend, in the same way, we are here going to know about the first famous thing of India. So, do you know who is the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, the first Prime Minister of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. Here is a picture of Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know, children? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is also known as Chacha Nehru or Pandit Nehru. He born on 14 November that we celebrate as Children Day because Pandit Nehru loved children. Okay, so our next is first woman Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India, and here I am going to talking about the first woman Prime Minister of India. So the first woman Prime Minister is Indira Gandhi. Here is the picture of Indira Gandhi. She is the first woman Prime Minister of India, and not only first, she was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Next is the first female IPS officer of India. Yes, IPS officer is a female person. The name is Kiran Bedi. Here is the photo of Kiran Bedi ma'am. She is the IPS officer, first IPS officer of India. She is the first Indian female to become an officer in the Indian Police Service, that is IPS, and started her service in 1972. Next is first pilot of India. Pilot means a person who controls the flight, the planes. So the first pilot is J.R.D. Tata. Here is the picture of Mr. J.R.D. Tata. I want to tell you a interesting fact about Mr. J.R.D. Tata. You know, his mother was the first woman in India to drive a car, and his son means Mr. J.R.D. Tata. In 1929, he became the first licensed pilot in India. Now the next, first Indian to win an Oscar. The first Indian who win an Oscar is Bhanu Athaiya. Here is the picture of Bhanu Athaiya ma'am. You can see the award is also there. This is called Oscar Award. Bhanu Athaiya was an Indian costume designer. She worked on over 100 films with an Indian filmmakers. Due to her hard work, she became the first Indian who won an Oscar. Now, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Children, Mount Everest is a mountain, a very high, big mountain. Bachendri Paul, a lady who reached that mountain at first. You can see in the picture. Bachendri Paul is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mountain Everest. This is amazing. Now the first Indian sportsman to receive the Bharat Ratna. Sportsman means he is a sport person. So the first Indian sportsman is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. This is the well-known face, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is an Indian former international cricketer who served as captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. That's why we call him the legend person of Indian cricket history. Now the next is first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic medal. So the first Indian badminton player is Saina Nehwal. See Saina Nehwal. Now I want to tell you one thing about Saina Nehwal. She is an Indian professional badminton single player. Means which game she play? Badminton. She has represented India 3 times in the Olympic, winning a bronze medal in her second appearance. So the next is first female Indian gymnast to qualify for Olympic. She is Deepa Karmakar. Deepa Karmakar is the first female Indian gymnast. Here is the photo of Deepa Karmakar. Deepa Karmakar is an Indian artistic gymnast. Karmakar first gained attention when she won a bronze medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, becoming the first female gymnast to do so in the history of the games. Moving to the next, first Indian in space. You know who is the first Indian in space? Rakesh Sharma. Here is a photo of Mr. Rakesh Sharma. He have weared the astronaut suit. He is the first Indian citizen to reach outer space on April 2, 1984. You know, children, he spent 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes in space. When the PM of that time, who is Indira Gandhi, asked Rakesh Sharma that, can you please tell how does India look from the outer space? Then Sharma said, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. So this is all about the famous first of India. Hope you have seen the videos. Now it's time to do the worksheet. Do the worksheet. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.